Hello students. We can go to the next questions. Page number 78. Question number 1. In class 10A, there are 30 boys and 20 girls. In 10B, there are 15 boys and 25 girls. One student is to be selected from each class. What is the probability of both being girls? Second question. What is the probability of both being boys? Third question. What is the probability of one boy and one girl? And the last question. What is the probability of at least one boy? So here they are given two classes, 10A and 10B. In 10A, boys 30, girls 20. In 10B, boys 15, girls 25. So total students 20 plus 30, that is 50. In 10B, total students 40. So in this question, they are asking, we have to select one student from each class. That is, we have to pair of two students. So total pairs will come. Here it is 50, here it is 40. So we multiply 50 into 40, we will get 2000 pairs, because 5 into 4, 20, then 2 zeros. That is 20 pairs are coming in total. Now the question is probability of both being girls. That means in 10A, how many girls? 20 girls. In 10B, 25 girls. So how many girls pair will come? 20 into 25. That is 25 into 2, 50. Then 1 0. That is 500 pairs are both girls. Then out of total pair is 2000. So we can cancel these two zeros. So you will get 5 upon 20, that is 1 by 4. Now next is probability of both being boys. Both being boys means here 30 boys. Then in 10B it is 15. So 15 into 3, it will come 45. 45, then 1 0, that is 450. So we can write 450 divided by 2000. So simplify, you can cut 1 0, then again you can cut with the 5, we can get 9 here. Then in 25, how many times? 4 times. Then 1 0. That is 9 upon 40 is the probability. Now the probability of one boy and one girl. One boy, that is here one boy, from this one girl. So what will come? 30 into 25. Then here also boys are there, 15 boys and the 20 girls are there. So how we can write? 15 into 20. Now 3 into 25, that we know 75, 1 0, plus 15 into 2, that is 30, 1 0. So total will come 0, 0, 0, then 5, then 10. So 1050 is the pairs of boys and girls. At least one boy and one girl. That is 1 0, 50 divided by, what is the total? Total is 2000. So simplify. We can cut 10. Then we can cut 5. So 2 times 121 upon 5 in 20, 40. So we can say it as 21 upon 40 is the probability of one boy and one girl. Now the next is at least one boy, that is at least one boy, minimum one boy. That means we can say in this combination, boy combination, there is at least one boy will come. Then next combination, boy and girl, that combination also you will get one boy and girl there. Then girl and boy, that way you can do. So boy means in this 30 and 15. So we can write it as 30 into 15. That is a total pair will come 30 into 15. And boy girl, that is 30 and 25. That means 30 into 25. Next is girl and boy. Girl is 20, then boy 20 into 15. 20 into 15. So you will get 30 into 15 means 15, 45. Then 10 plus 750 plus 30, then 10. So total will come, we can add 450, 750, 300. That is 0, 0, 1, 150. That is 1500 pairs are coming, at least one boy. So probability will come 1500 divided by total pair 2000. We can cancel 2 zeros. Then we can cancel 5. 5 here 3 times in 24 times. So we will get the probability 3 upon 4.